In this step, you will learn to accurately draw shadows for a cube depending on how high a light source is. As a visual that you can try at home, get a cube and light it from 3 different heights to see how the shadow changes each time. As you can see, the lower the light is, the longer the shadow. We will now draw some diagrams to help us accurately mark out how the shadows work. You'll need a ruler to create the diagrams for the step. First, draw a transparent cube using 2-point perspective. Erase your guidelines afterwards. For our first diagram, our light source will be high on the figure. Mark out a shadow vanishing point on the horizon. This point is marked with a green point in the example. Next, we'll draw a line from this point upwards, about 3 inches high with our ruler, and then mark out the light source. This is marked with a red point in the example. Now we will draw dotted lines from the red and green points to the corners of the cube as shown. Where they cross each other on the ground, we will mark out blue points and then connect these points. This is where our shadow will be. Last but not least, we will shade our shadow with cross-hatching, making the area closer to our cube darker. After this, we will draw 2 more diagrams of the cube's shadow by shortening the distance between the light source and the shadow vanishing point each time. Try to copy the cube that you drew for your first diagram on these 2 diagrams as well. Keep your shadow vanishing point the same on all 3 diagrams. Good job! Stay tuned for your next shadow study.